those. Just look at those beasts. Let me show you. Let me show you something. Let me show you a little something. Let's do this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? Would you just look at that? Would you just look at that? Look at that. Oh, yeah, buddy. Those things don't like the... Oh, I forgot. I also put these in. Those things don't like the hazards. They like to do one side switching at a time. Oh, another thing I want to do is switch out these for the Mitsubishi Eclipse vents, because look how loose those things are. They don't stay for a darn crap. Alright, stay tuned. Alright. Alright guys, back in here. We are back in the box. Back in the box. So I've got my clock spring here. It says right here, point the front wheel straight ahead, rotate this thing 2.5 turns from left, which I've already done. Make sure that's on the top. And then align match marks, which I think is this arrow. Oh no, I'm sorry, this one right here where it says turns. So there's an arrow down here on the bottom, see right there, arrow right there and an arrow right there. So I've matched the marks. So hopefully this fixes that squib issue. This is the old steering wheel for the 05. It doesn't have steering wheel controls or anything right here. As you can see, the new bad boy does. So radio controls on the steering wheel here, which is what I wanted this for. Okay, this is the airbag for it, which I'm not thrilled about, because if you look right there, the chrome is all, or the silver is all gone, and mine is perfect on here. Problem is the airbag is riveted with these freaking heavy duty hardcore rivets, so I'd have to drill them out and then figure out an alternative replacement for them when I put it back together, which I don't think I'm comfortable enough to do that just to swap this piece out. And in all reality, when I get this out, I guarantee you that on the back side it's plastic welded. Basically they had 2 tabs that stuck through, and they got from the back side and melted those tabs to hold it in place. So what I'd have to do, what I'm thinking about doing, is down the road I will mask this off with tape, cut out the emblem, and then spray it with a color, maybe green, maybe the envy green, if you will. So yeah, so let's get to this. We're also going to swap out the radio today too, here in a little bit. And I'm a big fan of Pioneers, especially their double DINs. They're great radios. So the one that we're swapping in is also a Pioneer, which means I won't have to rewire the harness, which is perfect. All I have to do is just pull this radio out, change over the mounting brackets, and just plug the harness directly in, and bam, we've swapped decks. So and like I said, I just want this one for my daily commuter car. It looks like I'm gonna have to open this up and replace this plastic protector screen, the touch screen, because it's got a couple scratches in it and it's fading right there. Like, I'm not real sure how good that is for it. Anyway, we're gonna swap these out because I want this in my commuter car, and then this one I'll put in here, and it'll actually look better long run. So let me get a cleaner real quick. Okay, whoa. So I've got my thing right here. I'm gonna spray it. I'm gonna brush it. Looks like somebody spilled coffee all over this while driving. There we go. It's a lot better already. A little bit more here on the bottom. Good, much better. Okay, there, it's a lot cleaner, and it still doesn't look great because of that faded emblem, but it's better than it did look. Okay, we're also gonna scrub down the steering wheel real quick. Whew, spray my legs. I don't want to ruin my controls here. So I'm just going to wipe it down with my cloth here. Then I'll give it a scrub in a minute. I'm going to have to take this off, rough it up, and paint it also when I do the emblem. And like I said, maybe I'll do a nice green, make it match. But yeah, I'm going to have to take this steering wheel controls piece out, the radio control piece out, and clean it, and paint it, because it's the silver on this thing is already faded to heck. So big difference. Just a quick wipe down makes. Okay, that's a lot better. Not perfect, but a lot better. I really don't want to put this dang thing together. Just have to take these off later, because you have to take the airbag out to get these out, which I'm not thrilled about. That's terrible. And the problem is, well, oh well, it is what it is. I don't have paint to paint it right now anyway, so there's no point in me doing that right now. Yeah, so all right, here we go. Let's just get this, let's just get this over with. Let's get it going, huh? Okay. Hopefully I don't explode the damn airbag on myself. Okay. Oh, you know what? I guess that's not so bad. really careful when doing this. You don't blow the damn airbag up. You don't want to ground anything out. You don't want to definitely that is nerve-wracking. I would have looked like a fool if I would have blown this up on video. Okay, so now I need, this looks like a 17 probably, if I'm right. Oh, I was wrong, it's a 19, I bet you. Yep, 19. Yeah, it's a 19. Wow, that really wasn't on there hard. That was very easy to break off. Okay, let me get my puller real quick. No. There it is. That's the one, okay. Better. Oh, those are too short. So I thought the ones that came with it were too long. Turns out. Okay. See if these bolts will fit. It's even harder to picture. You're not here next to me. But is it too late to try? I wasted my nights. You turned out the light. Still stuck in that time where we called it love, but the sun is in paradise. Okay. Where the time's gone, baby, so where the place. If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. I'm full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. You just gave it away. Well, geez, that was incredibly easy. I probably could have pulled that off, honestly. You've turned out the lights, paralyzed, still stuck in that time where they love, but even the sun should paradise. Boom. And I'm definitely not getting rid of that yet because I don't need to. So I assume I gotta take these off. Happy ever after could exist, I would still be holding you like this. Fairy tales of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Man, fuck that shit. I'll be up spending money. Came for nothing. Push the button. will unplug this. Unplug the airbag. After it exists, I will still be holding you like this. Tears up all the shit you fucking say. Okay, should be it now. Okay. Oh. So apparently this was bad. Who knows? Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Either way, it's getting replaced. Okay. So again, wheels are straight. 2.5 turns rotated from the left end. So we'll go all the way to the left end. That's pretty much the left end. So, hold on, let's see. So this is sitting right here. The arrow, I'm going to put my finger right there because that's where the arrow is pointing. 1, 2, and a half is more or less there, but that should be it. Let me see. That would be 3, 4, 5. So it's got 5 turns total, so the middle would be 2.5, which makes absolute sense. Okay, so 2.5. Right there. Okay. New wheel. Pass those through. Let's see here. Come on. Yeah, that's good. The arrows are a little bit off. But I honestly think that's just the wheel being slightly off. Okay. Before I do that, I gotta put the housing back on. The cover back on. Does he need a V8 to keep him straight on the wheel? Oh, gotta plug all this stuff in. You gotta be kidding me. These are all supposed to work together, and it looks like this harness. Oh, Looks like I wasn't plugging the harness in right. Gotta line it up exact. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. What I'm seeing here isn't gonna work. What's the difference? They look identical. Oh, this is not open. Oh man. Wonder if I could change this out. I can't figure out if it'll be easier to cut the Molex or cut the receiver end. Probably the Molex, which means take this back off. Got a flipper, got a Ruger. Nope. Yep. Nope. You go fly overseas? Everybody got choices. Alright, so I got a blade and I just chopped. Yeah, there we go. Yep. Still not working. I'm gonna have to cut some more. Let's see here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be able to get that on. So, call that good. Good. I'll give that ass a good thrashing, hot fashion. I'm not only a client, I'm the player president. What the shit? It's a little different, but not too much. Should be alright. That has a lot more pins than that does. But we're good. I think we're good. I think we're good. I hope we're good. I think we're gonna be alright. I hope it's gonna be alright. I think it's gonna be alright. Okay. What the fuck? This thing has one fucking pin. And then I have a wire going to it. God damn it. So basically what I'm looking at is all of that for nothing. Well, not for nothing. It's actually nice because my what's it called? If it makes that damn airbag light go away, then it's fucking worth it. But all said and done, I was really looking forward to having these steering wheel controls. Now looking at this, I don't know how the steering wheel controls are going to communicate with the car if the harness that plugs into the damn clock spring has one fucking wire coming out of it. One wire. I don't know how that's going to communicate to the fucking car, which sucks. But whatevs. What are you gonna do? I can't really do anything about it. So, like I said though, if it makes the airbag light go away, that squib, then it's worth it. And I can probably figure out wiring. Ooh. There. I could probably figure out wiring down the line, so it's fine. It's fine. It doesn't bother me. It's okay. It's good. It's okay. It's alright. What the shit, man. Okay, so here we are. I'm not thrilled, but what are you gonna do, you know? So I'm gonna connect. Here, first, before I do any of this, I'm going to put this back on. Tighten her down. Okay. It's pretty good. Alright. Let's connect this ground to this. This makes me so nervous. Okay, well there's that. Now the real test will be when I turn it back on. If that fucking squid light is there and I reset it and it comes back on, I'm taking this back off and putting my other wheel back on. This is not correct. It's sideways a little bit. Make sure I pull this all the way out. Okay. Same with this one. Oh, that one I saw pull out. Oh, I can see the line where it splits for the airbag to come out. Right there in the middle. Alright. Now, I know I'm going to have to reset that light, but let's see. Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? Look at that. The airbag light turned off. What you know about that? This freaking steering wheel, this clock spring, fixed that airbag light. Man, I am excited. That's freaking awesome. Alright, so now I'll just switch out this radio.